Hey everybody, welcome back. It's Brennan from Brennan's Mobile Detailing. We got ourselves a real good one here today. We're out here in North York, Toronto, and we got ourselves a mobile trailer. So I got the guy, my customer, on board. He's going to explain to you guys, for anybody looking for a trailer or who's willing to trade or for sale or any of that market, or anybody who's looking to get into a trailer, feel free to give my buddy Angelo a call. So here we are, North York. We got ourselves a trailer here, and here's my buddy Angelo right here.
How are you guys?
For anybody looking to basically have their trailer, or anybody who's looking to get a trailer or in the market, or even to begin to wanting a trailer or anything, feel free to give Angelo a shout right here. So Angelo, tell us a little about what we got going on here.
So we got a 2004 42-foot motorhome going on right now, and we got our guy Brandon here that is going to do a complete detail on the inside for us. Maybe the best work in town so far that I've seen.
Thank you.
He does all my classic cars, all our trailers, motorhomes, whatever your heart desires, he's the guy for it.
Appreciate it.
You can have a look around right now. This is the before.
Yeah.
And then
so here we are. We're going to do a little walkthrough here. Basically, as you guys can see, so when you get these vehicles, they're not always in the tip-top shape. You obviously got to do a little restoration. Sometimes they need to be tidied up and stuff. So here we are. We're going to do a full clean out here. This trailer is actually beautiful though. Like, once this gets spiffed up, he's going to do a really good turnaround on this. And for anybody who is looking to have a trailer in the near future, feel free, give Angelo a shout. He's got a really great family connection here. He's been in the industry for quite some time now, so he knows what he's doing. So anybody who's looking to have a trailer, or what else do you guys basically do? Cars, trucks, SUVs?
We do a lot of classic cars.
Okay.
We do a lot of motorhomes, travel trailers, camping trailers, park models as well. We do
Beautiful,
a lot of.
beautiful. Okay.
Feel free to reach out to myself.
Okay.
Or to Brandon.
Okay.
He'll give you my number as well.
Okay, for sure.
He does really good work, especially on our classics too. Like, we got between the family probably around 8 or 9 classic vehicles, and he does them probably 2 or 3 times a week.
Yeah, there's a couple I do get.
For sure.
All right.
And he's mobile. That's the best thing too. And he's always on time.
Thank you so much.
Thank you,
so
sir.
for anybody looking for getting themselves into a new model home trailer, feel free to connect with Angelo. Have a wonderful day. Cheers.
Have a good one.
Hey everybody, it's Brennan from Brennan's Mobile Detailing here. Got ourselves a really good interior camper home trailer, and basically going to do the whole interior. Just needs to be wiped down and tidied up pretty well, and it's not too bad all in all though. We're gonna get this baby back to looking nice and fresh and clean for the customer. Like I said, it's just a little bit of debris here and there, a couple stains here and there that just need to be tidied up. And full washroom, all the drawers, accessibilities, everything like that. And this is a double pull out, so which is pretty darn cool. It's got the whole kitchenette right here. I'm gonna give this thing, push. There we go. Give this thing like a full overhaul cleaning. Okay. So stay tuned, guys. I will give this thing a full overhaul, and I will show you the results after I'm done. So for anybody who hasn't, please hit the like and subscribe. Follow Brennan's Mobile Detailing. New to YouTube, started a YouTube channel not too long ago, looking to gain and get more customers. So please hit that like and subscribe button. Thank you so much. Have a wonderful day and a wonderful weekend. Brennan from Brennan's Mobile Detailing here. We got this trailer all wrapped up. We're gonna give you guys a little walkthrough and show you guys what I did. As you can see, fresh, fully clean. Everything scrubbed down, vacuumed, and then some. So, for anybody looking to have their trailers, mobile homes, vehicles, cars, anything like that, feel free to contact me, Brennan's Mobile Detailing. Hit that like and subscribe button, and as you can see, top to bottom, nice and clean. And that's a wrap, folks. Be sure to like and subscribe and follow Brennan's Mobile Detailing for more. All right, guys, so that's it. On to the next. Hope everybody liked the video. Like and subscribe for more Brennan's Mobile Detailing. Have yourself a wonderful day. Cheers.